Hello everyone, welcome to engineering drawing class. I am B Rakesh, assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, KITS Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain one problem on projections of points. Let us see the problem number 4 in engineering drawing by NDBY textbook. The page number is 193. The given problem is a point P is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Another point Q is 25 mm behind the VP and 40 mm below the HP. Draw projections of P and Q, keeping the distance between their projectors equal to 90 mm. Draw straight lines joining their top views and their front views. First, draw XY line. We know the above XY line part is called vertical plane and below XY line part is called horizontal plane. First, you can locate the P point, that is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. This point lies in first coordinate. Just you can draw the similar like first coordinate of front view and top view. That means uh, the front view falls on vertical plane and top view point top view projection falls on horizontal plane. When you rotate horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise direction, that point top view point goes to uh, below XY line. First draw the 20 mm above 15 mm above HP. This point is P dash. Now give the dimension. This is the extension line and this is the dimension line. Here, uh, keep the distance between this dimension line and projector line is 8 mm. Here, you can draw the arrowhead in the ratio of 1:3 and give the dimension value, that is 15 mm. Now, draw the top view of P point. You can see this top view distance. You can see the infinite distance in the top view. So you can draw the top view point, that is below XY. This is the P point, that means top view point. Now give the dimension. Draw the extension line and dimension line. The length is 20 mm. Please remember one important note. Here, front view and top view of any point, the must and should lies on same projector line. P dash and P both are in same projector line. Now draw the second point. The second point name is Q. Is 25 mm behind the VP and 40 mm below the HP. First identify the coordinate. Here Q is 25 mm behind VP and 40 mm below the HP. This point lies in third coordinate. This coordinate is opposite to first coordinate. That means the front view, you can draw the front view below XY line and top view above XY line. You can see the top behind distance in the top view. That projection lies on horizontal plane. When you rotate horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise direction, that point goes to above XY line. Before going to draw this Q point, first you can see the question. Draw the two projectors. Keep the distance between 90 mm. From this projector line, give 90 mm space. Now locate the Q point. We know the one thumb rule. In the previous one, 15 mm above HP. Just simple like just you can locate the point 15 mm above the HP, that means P dash. Similar like you can locate the Q point, that is 40 mm below the HP. So you can draw the projector line 40 mm below the XY. The point name is Q dash. The next one is Q is 25 mm behind the VP. You can see the 25 mm distance behind the distance. You can see in top view side. This projection falls on horizontal plane. When you rotate that horizontal plane in 90 degrees direction, that point moves to above XY line. This is the 40 mm. This point is Q. The distance is 25 mm behind the VP. He asked that draw straight lines joining their top views and their front views. Here, P dash and Q dash are the front views and P and Q are the top views. Now draw the straight lines joining their top views. Now join P and Q. Now draw the straight lines joining their front views. That means P dash and Q dash. This is the final solution for the given problem number 4. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.